Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Digibox D6 Max Android TV box. This unit comes packed with solid hardware features. It includes a quad-core Cortex-A53 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of onboard storage. It supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and 1000 megabits per second Ethernet. On the back, you get an HDMI port, AV output, optical port, and a USB-C power port. Powering the box over USB-C is a huge upgrade over traditional barrel jacks. Before we jump into the setup, here is a quick tip for the best streaming experience. To run any app smoothly on your device and bypass regional restrictions, make sure to use NordVPN. You can find the installation link mentioned in the description and comments below. Now let us walk through the complete setup step by step. Step 1. Connect the device and pair the remote. Plug in your HDMI cable and Ethernet connection. Power up the Digibox using the included USB-C cable. Once the boot screen appears, press and hold the OK button and volume down button together for 3 seconds to pair the Bluetooth remote. Step 2. Initial system configuration. Choose your preferred language from the flag selection menu. Select US English. The system automatically syncs your local time zone and network connection. Review the standard user disclaimer and hit complete to reach the main home screen. Step 3. Run a system check and update. Navigate to the top menu and select System Update. Run an online check to ensure your device is running the latest software version. You can also run an internet speed test from the top bar to verify your connection speed. Step 4. Set up phone remote control and gamepad mode. Scan the QR code under the remote control icon on your TV. Download and install the DigiPlay app on your phone. Connect your phone to the same network as the Digibox. You can now use your mobile phone as a touch remote, memory booster, or even a virtual gamepad. Step 5. Customize launcher shortcuts and settings. Navigate to set Quick Launch to assign custom app shortcuts to your remote buttons. Go to Wallpaper under More Settings to set custom background images. In the System Settings, navigate to Apps and Permissions. Disable location access for apps like Chrome to protect your privacy. Step 6. Optimize keyboard input. Open the curated App Store and download Gboard. Go to Device Preferences, select Keyboard, and enable Gboard as your default active keyboard for a smoother typing experience. Step 7. Install third-party streaming apps. You can download curated apps like Tubi directly from the built-in App Store. If an app like Pluto TV shows compatibility issues, download APK Pure from the App Store. Open APK Pure, search for Pluto TV, and click Update to install the compatible version directly. Step 8. Use the Air Mouse functionality. Press the mouse button on your remote to toggle gyroscopic Air Mouse mode. This lets you navigate phone-style app layouts with a precision cursor on screen. You can customize your home screen layout by clicking the plus icon on the main menu to add your favorite apps. That wraps up our setup and deep dive into the Digibox D6 Max. If you want to get the most out of your streaming setup, do not forget to check out NordVPN using the link in the description. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe to TechVibes for more tech reviews and tutorials.